What's up guys, Austin Brody. I'm gonna walk you guys through my fade process. We're gonna do an entire men's haircut. Gary here has extremely curly hair, beautiful curly hair, and what we've done, we've already sectioned him out on top, so we can go ahead and square off the top so we can show off the curls and get it as voluptuous as possible. So, I'm gonna be taking square sections in the back, and really utilizing my graduation techniques to preserve as much of this weight right here as possible. So now that we've taken square sections in the back, we've preserved this weight in the back to create that drop formation that we're gonna look for with this fade. Now, working through the top, we're gonna keep everything as square as possible, but he does need a trim on top. So what we're gonna do is we've created a base section around here, and we're just gonna pull everything to the base section and cut it horizontally, following your temporal parietal through occipital ridge that runs through the head shape. So now that we've made our horizontal section, we've got everything combed forward and everything is blended, so I know that I'm on the right track. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna square off the top. Speaking of technique, whenever I think of men's hair cutting or short hair cutting in general, I try to keep everything as square as possible. So what we're gonna do is we've created our points over here. We're just gonna raise everything up and connect everything at the top. So I've given myself 2 guidelines, and this is gonna make everything mowing through this 10 times easier. I've got 2 short points, and my entire methodology behind haircutting is just connecting dots. And as I start playing around with the shape, all I'm doing is looking for longer pieces, and we're just gonna refine while it's still wet. Boom.